Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Are you wondering how we can change our convert file format without apps or online converter? Don't worry guys, I'll show you the trick. Let's get into it. First of all, go to your folder on your phone where you locate your files. Then you just have to rename the file. For example, I'm gonna convert this PDF file to Word. And I just have to rename it. Like, let's try it together. Okay, and rename. You just have to type doc like this. It means that you want to convert from PDF format to doc format, and click rename and click change. Okay, now the file format has changed, guys. And then if you want to convert from Word to PDF, you just have to type PDF on your file name like this. PDF. All right, and click rename and click change. Okay, that's so easy, guys. And you can also change the format from MP4 to MP3. Let's try it together. I'm gonna convert video to MP3 file. All right, and click type MP3 right here and click rename and click change. Alright guys, that's how we can convert file format without apps or online converter. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video will help you. See you on the next video. Bye!